This is a used 2008 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Paul Clark Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 46464046 State Road 200, Yulee, Florida 32097.